Hello, everyone. Hello, everybody. So here's my sister. my sister. Outfit check. Sabi niya magawa daw siya ng magawa siya ng porridge.
Punas ko na. Itong seafood?
Oo, spicy marinara. Ako mag-carbonara lang. Ay, oh, masarap ang spicy marinara. Carbonara para ganyan na tayo. Ayaw mo na to? Ayaw mo niya. Si mami baka gawa.
Ito pa rin, May.
The struggle.
Ayaw ko order ng drinks to.
Okay, the struggle.
May dala ka mo.
Wala pa. Ano yun pala na?
Saan nasa iyo yan? Yan, gusto mo yan?
Yan. What else?
Yan. Yan.
Which one? Which one?
Which one?
Anong pinaka-color?
Sit down. Sit down, Mika. Sit down. Sit down. Parang ito si Correct na kayo.
Been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down, so I'll lay here, watch the ceiling fan go round and round. It's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. And it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow. Seen my twin brother, I keep missing his calls. It's funny just how easily a family can drift apart. I'm finally getting married to an angel in human